Hi students, welcome to Mathematical Slideshow, Standard 6th, Chapter number 4, Operation on Fractions, Part 2. Students, last video we have learned about how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into proper fraction. Now we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. First we learn addition. We see example 1, that is 2 and 1 upon 7 plus 5 and 3 upon 7. Here two mixed fractions and we operate sum of that two mixed fractions. Now we write this example again, 2 and 1 upon 7 plus 5 and 3 upon 7. Here 2 and 5, these are whole number or natural number. We take first sum of that two whole numbers, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 plus, next we take the sum of fraction 1 upon 7 and 3 upon 7 in a bracket, 1 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Next step is equal to, we take a sum of 2 and 5, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 plus, in a bracket when we add two fractions each other, first we observe that denominators of these fractions are same or different. In these two fractions denominators are same, that is 7. So we take sum of only numerator, means 1 and 3, these are numerators of that two fractions. So we take sum of 1 and 3. First we write 1 plus 3 upon 7 is the same numerator, so we write 7 only one times, that is 7. Means here 7 plus 1 plus 3 upon 7. Next we calculate that operation, 7 plus 1 plus 3, that is a 4 upon 7 upon 7. Now we write this fraction without addition sign, that is 7 and 4 upon 7. So the sum of 2 and 1 upon 7 plus 5 and 3 upon 7 is 7 and 4 upon 7. Got it? We see another example. Example number 2, 6 and 1 upon 3 plus 2 and 1 upon 3. Here 6 and 2, these are whole numbers. We write this example again, 6 and 1 upon 3 plus 2 and 1 upon 3. Next step is equal to, first we take a group of whole numbers, that is 6 and 2. So in a bracket 6 plus 2 plus, next bracket sum of a fraction. There are two fractions, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. So we write sum of 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Now we take the sum, next step, 6 plus 2, 8 plus, here denominator of these two fractions must be same, so we take the sum of numerator 1 plus 1 upon numerator same, so we write numerator one time, that is 3. Means here 8 plus 1 plus 1 upon 3. Next step, we take sum of fractions, that is 8 plus 2 upon 3. Observe that example clearly. 8 plus 2 upon 3. Now we write this fraction without addition sign. So 8 and 2 upon 3. This is the sum of these two fractions. 6 and 1 upon 3 plus 2 and 1 upon 3 is equal to 8 and 2 upon 3. Got it? This is first method. In this method we have take a group of whole numbers and group of fractions, and we calculate the sum of these numbers. Now we take third example, 5 and 1 upon 5 plus 2 and 1 upon 7. In these two fractions, mixed fractions, 5 and 2, these are whole numbers, but 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 7, these are fractions but unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means the denominators are different of that fractions, so is called as unlike fractions. We write this example again, 5 and 1 upon 5. Now we calculate this mixed fraction 5 and 1 upon 5 with improper fraction, that is 5 into 5 means denominator into whole number plus numerator. So 5 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus next mixed fraction 2 and 1 upon 7. 2 and 1 upon 7, we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 into 7 plus 1 upon 7. Next step, we calculate this operation, 5 into 5, 25 plus 1 upon 5 plus next fraction 2 into 7 plus 1 upon 7, that is 14 plus 1 upon 7. 14 plus 1 upon 7. Now we calculate the sum of numerator each fractions. Next step, 25 plus 1, 26 plus 14 plus 1, 15 upon 7. 15 upon 7. In these two fractions, denominator of these fractions are different, means these fractions are unlike fractions. When we take a sum of unlike fractions, first we calculate these denominators in same value. Calculate denominators of these fractions in the same number or same value. First fractions denominator is 5, second fractions denominator is 7, but these are different denominator. We convert this denominator in the same number, so we take LCM of that two denominators. First fraction multiply by 7 and second fraction multiply by 5. So next step, 26 into 7 upon 5 into 7 plus 15 upon 7 multiply by 5. So here 15 into 5 upon 7 into 5. In the denominator, 5 into 7 or 7 into 5, this multiplications product is also same value. So next step, we calculate multiplication each fractions. 26 upon 7 is equal to 182 upon 35 plus 15 into 7, that is 75 upon 35. Here denominators of these two fractions remains same. Now when denominator are same, we take sum of numerators only and denominator write one time in the below of that fractions, that is in the denominator. So we take a sum 182 plus 75 upon 35. Next step, we take the sum, that is 257 upon 35. Numerator of this fraction is bigger than denominator, so we take reduced form of that fraction. Here 257 divided by 35, their quotient is 7 and remainder is 12, so we write this fraction 7 and 12 upon 35. So the sum of mixed fraction 5 and 1 upon 5 plus 2 and 1 upon 7 is 7 and 12 upon 35. Got it? We see another example of subtraction. Example number 1. Like addition, we use method how to solve addition of mixed fraction. Using this method, we calculate difference between two mixed fraction, that is a subtraction of two mixed fraction. We see example number 1. 7 and 1 upon 8 minus 6 and 1 upon 10. In this example, 7 and 6 are whole numbers or natural numbers. 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 10, these are fraction of that mixed fraction. So we convert each mixed fraction into improper fraction. First mixed fraction 7 and 1 upon 8, we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 into 8 plus 1 upon 8 minus second fraction mixed fraction 6 and 1 upon 10. This fraction also convert into improper fraction. So 6 into 10 plus 1 upon 10. Now we calculate operation in this above fractions, that is 7 into 8 plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 56 plus 1 upon 8 minus 60 plus 1 upon 10. Now next step, we take sum of numerators. 56 plus 1, 57 upon 8 minus 60 plus 1, 61 upon 10. Here denominators of these two fractions remains different, so we take LCM of that denominator. LCM of that denominator, because denominator of that fractions difference when we calculate addition or subtraction. Denominators of fractions must be same value, so we take LCM of 8 and 10, that is a 40. That is a 40. So first fraction 57 upon 8, here denominator of that fraction is 8, we convert this into 40, so we multiply this fraction by 5. So next step, 57 into 5 upon 8 into 5 minus next fraction 61 upon 10. Also denominator of that fraction is 10, we convert 10 into 40, so we take 4 for multiplication. So 61 upon into 4 upon 10 into 4. Now we calculate this multiplication. Next step, 57 into 5, 285 upon 40 minus 61 into 4, that is 244 upon 40. Here denominators of that fractions remains same value, so we take subtraction of numerator is equal to 285 minus 244 upon 40. Next step, we take difference of these numerators, that is 41 upon 40. Numerator is bigger than denominator, so we take division of that fraction or reduced form. We take a quotient 1 and remainder 1, so 1 and 1 upon 40. This is the answer of mixed fraction of subtraction, 1 and 1 upon 40. Got it? We see another example. 7 and 1 upon 2 minus 3 and 1 upon 5. Each fractions in this example, these are mixed fraction. Each fractions convert into improper fraction, that is 7 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 5 plus 1 upon 5. Now we calculate operations of numerators of each fractions, that is 14 plus 1 upon 2 minus 15 plus 1 upon 5. Next step, we take a sum of each numerator, 14 plus 1 15 upon 2 minus 15 plus 1 16 upon 5. Here denominators of these fractions are different, so we take LCM of that denominators for same convert into same denominator value. So we multiply first fraction by 5, so 15 into 5 upon 2 into 5 minus 16 into 2 upon 5 into 2. We multiply first fraction by 5 and second fraction by 2 because of denominators of that fractions first different denominator. We convert this denominator into same value, so we multiply first fraction by 5 and second fraction by 2. Now we calculate this operation. Next step, 15 into 5 75 upon 2 into 5 10 minus 16 into 2 32 upon 5 into 2 10. Here denominators of these fractions must be equal value. We take subtraction of numerators. Next step, 75 minus 32 upon 10 is the same denominators, so we write 10 only one time, so 10 is equal to, we take subtraction 75 minus 32, that is 43 upon 10 upon 10. This is the answer of that mixed fractions. This 43 upon 10 is an improper fraction. This improper fraction convert into mixed fraction, so we convert this fraction in mixed fraction, that is 4 and 3 upon 10. This is the answer of this two subtraction of these two fractions. So students, observe this example, understand methods how to take a sum of mixed fraction, how to take a difference of mixed fractions, which methods used to convert this fractions into proper fraction or improper fraction. Denominators of these fractions are same or different. So observe or watch video carefully and solve examples. Thank you.